Hi, Facebook. My dog's going to be joining us today. That's Roxy. I'm Malia Boersma, and I wanted to show you guys this really fun no foundation makeup hack that I've been enjoying. I've been sharing a lot about it over on Instagram, and my Instagram friends have been loving it. And I realized I have not been on here on Facebook to show y'all some stuff, some easy makeup stuff in a really long time. So I thought I'd just go ahead and do my makeup with you folks today. So I have nothing on as far as makeup right now, but a great tip is to make sure that your skin is absolutely clean and moisturized and probably well exfoliated if you want to have a really great foundation base. But anyway, I like to start with a really loud black lab. So my aim in sharing is really to help ladies who feel intimidated by makeup to realize that it can be quite simple. It should be fun for you. And you should definitely be checking into products that are not full of toxic ingredients. So brow pencil is really easy to use. And I can probably go into this in more detail on another video. But I just wanted you guys to see the difference and how much it really just frames your face and kind of makes you look a little more polished and done. And I'm not fancy with the brows. They're not ever on fleek, but they are done, and it's pretty simple and easy using a brow pencil and the spoolie on the other end. If you are already loving and using cleaner beauty products, I hope you will drop a 1 for me in the comments. I'd love to reach out to you and find out what you're loving. If you have never even heard of what clean, safer beauty is, would you please drop me a 2? I'd love to know that as well. Okay, so brows are done. Let's get into the no foundation. I'm actually just going to be using some concealer shades. All right, so I'm going to be taking this shade, which is 1 shade lighter than my skin tone for brightening. So I'm just gonna put that there. And then I'm gonna take something that's several shades darker, and I'm gonna put it where I would normally put bronzer. Just way up here and then higher up on my cheekbones. And then I'm gonna take one in my skin tone for any extra cover up. But check out how little product I'm using and then watch the magic happen. Say hello if you're tuning in. Okay, and I'm going to be using these brushes, which I absolutely love. So again, we're taking the lighter color to brighten any under eye darkness. We love making the eye area brighter so it draws more attention to your beautiful peepers. So all this area on my eyes, I'm going to brighten up. And you can use any brush that's small that gets into this area. Obviously, using a bigger brush is going to be really hard. You don't want to tug when you do makeup by your eyes. All right, so that was that brightening color. Next, I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to buff out this darker color. And it's basically working as a cream bronzer for me. So I'm just buffing it up. This is gonna give you that suntan, sun-kissed action. You don't want all of your skin on your face to be one color. Your face should be 3-dimensional. And then on this side, but look at how fast and easy this is. And then finally, that skin tone shade. And I can just use the same brush. So that's gonna blend everything all together so there's no lines in between. And it's giving me really, really amazing coverage. I didn't use foundation. I just used a few taps of these different concealer shades. And some really cool brushes. How good is that? Was that easy or what? So my face is brightened, it's bronzed. All I have to do is go in and finish up with some blush and lips, and that's it. That was makeup in less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be using this bright pink blush. Don't neglect to use blush, ladies. Look at how fun that is. If it's too bright for you, you just go in with a clean brush or your foundation brush without extra product and go over it to kind of tone it down a little bit, and then a fun lip color. This is brand new, second day wearing it, and I'm obsessed. These are actually both called raspberry, the cheek and the lips. So I thought that was super fun and easy. So if you guys have any questions about that, oh, one more thing. We're getting into summer. We're gonna be, I cannot stop with this concealer hack. It's so easy. Mattifying powder is gonna be your best friend. Or any clean setting powder. You have to be careful with powders because a lot of them may contain talc that you don't know if it has any asbestos and weird stuff in it. So find a clean setting powder. This is translucent. If you don't want to be shiny and oily, especially in humid summertime, this is great just to set your makeup and help to reduce shine. But I don't necessarily like using too much because I don't want to look mattified. I want to look more dewy because I feel like it makes you look more youthful and glowy. But anyway, that was some fun makeup for today. Again, if you're already loving and using clean beauty, would you please drop a 1 in the comments? And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, drop a 2. Have a great day, everybody.